Hello everyone, this is Mamta from CAD NEST Nagar. Today we are discuss about the rendering setups in Autocad. First we go to visualize and select the camera and place the camera. After that select the camera and make some adjustment like this. After that for the grass application go to surface, select the planer and draw one horizontal plane like this. Go to material application and apply the grass. Like this. And select the render size. For high quality, take full HD TV. For normal qualities, you can take this size. After that, select high and then click on render. Without lighting, it shows like this. After some application of lights, like there are 4 types of lights. One is point light, spotlight, and distance light, web light. It means it radiates the light in all directions from its location. Spotlight means it emits a directional cone of light. Distant light means it creates a distance light, and web light. By using these 4 lights, we can apply the lights. For example, you can like spot like this. And select the light and make some adjustment. For the intensity, go to properties. This is the light intensity. And click on render. It shows like this. This is for the lighting effects. Like this. Can render the object. Click on render. By using the light, we apply the lightings. For more video, please subscribe the channel, press the bell icon. Thank you.